Hello friends, I'm Zulkarnain Ali and you're watching the channel Secure Tech. Today we're gonna discuss about launching the ship. No wastage of time, let's start the video. There are various types of launching systems. First one is side launching system. Side launching system is preferred by those shipyards where the extent of adjacent water boundary is insufficient for the length of ship. And the second type is gravity launching system. This system is also known as stern launching system. Our study will focus on this type. It is preferred by most of the shipyards because of its better load distribution on the ship. And the third type of launching system is mechanical crane launching system. It is used to launch small boats or vessels. And the fourth one is floating out launching system. In this case, ships are built in the dry dock or floating dock and directly launched from there once constructed. And the fifth one is airbag launching system. It is the innovative form of gravity launching system. It involves synthetic rubber bags placed under the ships and then the ship launches due to the rolling motion of these bags. Ship launching needs various steps to be completed before the launching. The first step is the construction of ship block. It is constructed in a region which is called block fabrication region. And the second step is berth preparation. It involves berth cleaning, placement of metal and wooden supports on the berth to take entire load from the keel block of ship. Step number 3. Once the ship is ready for the launch, there is need to place launching parts on the starboard as well as on the port side of ship. These launching parts including sliding way, runner, wooden packings, wooden cradle, steel cradle. The details of these parts will be present later in the video. Step number 4. Step number 4 involves the welding of steel cradle with the ship hull. Now the weight of ship is ready to be shifted from the keel block supports towards the launching cradles. So once the weight is shifted towards the launching cradles, then these keel block supports are removed. Then the ship with the entire cradle structure slide away into the adjacent water body. And finally, step number 5. After launching, the ship is docked to remove steel cradle, wooden cradle and sinker weights outside the hull. Conditions for launching. These conditions must be met before launching. Number 1. When all the blocks of ships are precisely welded. Number 2. All the requisite machinery is installed. Number 3. Launching setup is perfectly placed on the slipway, which is also known as berth. The most important point, it is necessary for the concerned shipyard to certify its boat or ship from a classification society, probably recommended by the ship designer. Launching can be defined as process of introducing the ship to the harbor either from the berth, crane or any other system depending upon the ship's size and launching location. Harbor is a part of sea where the water is sheltered for ship anchoring, its motion and doing the sea trials. This place is deep sea, either natural or artificial. Launching is done to verify the stability and structural strength of ship in sea before placing the payload. Payload means the light loading condition. If you didn't understand the payload term, then you can comment below in the video. I will explain this term there. This is the picture of berth. The berth descending downwards. At this location of berth, the bow side ship blocks will be placed. The yellow arrows are indicating the wooden fixed way, while the green arrow is indicating the concrete fixed way. So you are clearly seeing both the fixed ways. The bottom one is the concrete fixed way while the top one is the wooden fixed way. Both are fixed with each other by nut bolt and girder system. They are basically the launching parts which are unable to move. Usually for an average size berth, concrete fixed way is usually 400 mm while wooden fixed way is 300 mm. And this portion is the extended perturbation of wooden fixed way. This location of berth will contain aft and midship blocks. This berth is also descending downwards and meeting with the sea at a certain slope. This whole launching system is termed as gravity launching system or stern launching system. Trigger is such part of launching that is attached with a wooden fixed way, and its purpose is to lock the sliding way from moving downward. So think trigger as a lock. It is unlocked near the launching.